everyone, I am teacher Joanne, and for today's lesson, we will be discussing accessing information using computer and produce output of data using computer system. Are you ready? Knowledge and skills in computer are very significant for these days. In using computer, it yields several questions that can only be answered if you are knowledgeable in computer. Such questions are: what application to be used in downloading files? Where does a deleted file go? How will you change the setting of your computer? Or what type of operating system is being installed in computer? To help us in answering these questions, let us now proceed to our today's topic: accessing information using computer and produce output or data using computer system. Understanding desktop icons. Any operating system uses desktop icons to graphically represent objects such as programs and directories. In this lesson, we will focus on desktop icons of Windows, or GUI, or the graphical user interface. Desktop icons are known as shortcuts represented by pictures that indicate the type of program they are connected to. You can move, duplicate, and delete files to your desktop, which will save time and amount of mouse click. However, it must be arranged and cleaned from time to time to avoid being cluttered. Below are some common desktop icons. Program icons. These icons are positioned at the left side of the screen. Each image has an arrow at the bottom left, shows representing shortcuts to various programs. Deleting the icon won't affect or remove the program. These can be opened through double click. Drives and recycle bin. Control panel and network are used to configure settings in a computer system. The drive is an immovable medium where you can store and read information of files and programs. Recycle bin is a temporary storage area for deleted files. Folder and files. A file is an object that stores data, details, settings, or commands used with a computer program on a machine. In a GUI, or the graphical user interface, such as Microsoft Windows, files are shown as icons that relate to the file opener program. Directories. It might be simpler to illustrate a comparison to the directory structure. So, think of your computer as a growing file-filled space. File cabinet is loaded with folders and files. That is the basic directory prerequisite. Directories accurately represent file cabinets. They can hold files and subdirectories. Managing your desktop. Working in a computer environment has a wide variety of tasks and activities in creating, deleting, moving, editing documents, and other files on a computer. This could end up being cluttered or misplaced files that could waste work, productivity, and cost time. 5S is an organizing concept that helps to maintain your computer files away from clutter. The following are the 5S and their functions. Number 1. Seri. It means sorting or putting things in order. Avoid saving or duplicating files on your desktop. Aside from being cluttered, this can also add to your space on a drive. Make a folder that segregates one file to another, contain the different types of files. Number 2. Satan. It means orderliness or proper arrangement. Organized files in a desktop can help in easy finding of files. Each directory must be linked to the files inside the folder. File name should be organized by number or letters so that it can easily be identified. Number 3. Say-so means cleanliness. Desktop and directories should be clean to avoid the overloading of files. Duplicate, old, and unnecessary files should be deleted to provide space for incoming files that will be created or transferred. Recycle bin should be emptied after a month. Number 4, Seiketsu, or the standardize. Apply Seiri, Seiton, and Seiso daily in maintaining a clean, manageable desktop. 5, Shitsuke, or the sustaining, discipline, and commitment. Training is the key to practice proper maintenance in handling computer desktop. There are different types of the system in software and computer, namely the application, system, operating software, and programming languages. Application software. Application software contains several programs which can be divided into different groups of general purposes and applications. Application software has a general purpose to perform a specific job of processing information for end users. Examples are word processing, spreadsheet, presentation graphics program. System software. This system works on the system management program and system development program of a computer. This includes managing hardware, software, and network and data resources of a computer upon execution of information processing jobs. Another function is to control, maintain the database. It also manages the performance of telecommunication networks of a computer. Examples are utility system, network system, and database system. Operating system. This system also manages the CPU process and monitors the computer system's input or output storage mechanism with services. It executes the following functions: system and network communication interface, computer system hardware control system, file management, data and software management, system flow process management, utility support system. Examples are Linux and Windows. Programming languages. Most of the computer works on a wide variety of programming languages. This helps programmers to develop a system with the help of a language translation program that converts programming into the machine language instruction codes. Examples are Java, HTML, XML, C++, Fortran, and others. Did you have a great time learning our today's topic? Now, can you identify what operating system or software application you used on your computer? If yes, that's awesome. By the way, in addition to your learning, we have provided several activities that will enrich your learning. That's all for today. See you next time!